Alright, so the change in state delivery is probably one of the most powerful concepts in ICT, and it's because of its ability to tell you when market structures are about to shift and kind of signal out a reversal. And there's a little more into it, and I'm going to show you guys in the video. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into the video. Alright, so this is an example of a change state delivery to the bearish side, right? So let me zoom in a little more. Alright, so basically, in this sense, what a change in state delivery is like the open of a up close candle or a series of up close candles before a sweep. So what does that mean? So either a sweep or like a higher time frame PD array. I'll show you guys a few examples later on. So this is a bearish example. Basically, we have a bunch of up close candles. We take out like a higher time frame PD array. And then we come down to the open. You literally just mark out the open. We close below it. We displace through it. That's changing state delivery. It's basically like a break of structure, except instead of the wick, you're going for the body, right? And it could be abbreviated as CID or CSD or CISD, right? Either or doesn't matter, right? If you see somebody say have CSD on their chart, it's probably changing state delivery. And this is a bearish example. Now, the thing about change state delivery is that like it could be used in multiple ways, and let me show you the multiple ways first. Alright, so my bad, I have a little cough, I'm a little sick. So let's look at this, right? We took out this buy side liquidity. This isn't a trade I took yesterday. We took out this buy side liquidity. Yeah, there's like a bunch of stuff here. Wait, let me just get rid of it. So we took out the buy side liquidity. We came down to this open before the sweep, right? See how there's these two candles? These two candles before the sweep, we came to the open and we displaced through it. This now becomes the change in state delivery. Okay? Now, the thing about change in state delivery is like you could technically short right off of that change in state delivery. Like just right off that candle, you can short, put your stop somewhere here. But you can also wait a little, and sometimes what happens is like this is not all the time, but sometimes what happens is we retrace into the change in state of delivery, kind of use it like an order block, and move off it. So the crazy thing about this trade was that like, let me fix the order block. Fix the fair value gap. All right. So the crazy thing about this this trade was like, the change state delivery kind of matched the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. So this was kind of like a double confluence in a sense, right? So boom, change state delivery, we retraced into it and we started to wick. As soon as I started to see this sell power, I entered. I wanted to enter here, but like spreads caught me around somewhere here, right? But let me just keep it there because this looks cooler. So literally from there, and I targeted this order block right here. This was like a higher time frame order block, which then had some reaction off of, which you could have again traded off that change in state delivery, right? Or like a higher time frame change in state delivery. Yeah, so that was the trade. Another thing I do is like I take my standard deviation and I usually put it to the change in state delivery because of how accurate it is. So like, let me put it more precisely with the change in state delivery. Right, because of how accurate it is. So to see this in the -2, it basically kind of came into that range and then touched it and then moved off. I put in the change state delivery. I know some people, they put it kind of like on the wick of the swing, and I guess you could see like it moved off that -1.5. Yeah, I mean, again, I think more people do it to the wick, but I usually do it to the change state delivery. So that's that. You can use it for that too. There's also, what is there? Okay, so let me give you guys another example of change state delivery. I'm trying to keep this video kind of short and sweet. This is a trade I didn't take today, but I actually lost my trades today. I was going shorts. I was kind of short right here, and then just reversed on me. So this was the trade that like I kind of recapped it right now, and this was the trade that I should have taken. So we had let's hop onto the 5 minutes. Kind of had these like highs that were made, also here too, that we wanted to kind of take out. We came into like a higher time frame order block. I mean, sorry, not order block. Fair value gap. We also came into like, let's say like, look at the 5 minutes, or was I already on the 5 minutes? 3 minutes, 1 minute. Yeah, I think it was the 1 minute. It was like a 1 minute sweep. Yeah, right there. 1 minute sweep. Technically, this is part of the sweeping candle. This is part of the sweeping candle. So change state delivery will be right here. We came up. We closed above it. I should have waited for like a retest into this breaker block and then longed it to those highs that we were going towards. Partials being like here. This would have been my break even. Partial, final TP. This should have been the trade. Of course, it's easier like in hindsight, but yeah, that's what I should have seen. What else is there about chain state delivery? Like, there's nothing really. It's a very simple concept. Just take your candle. Just take a line from the body of the closing candle before a reversal, or the series of closing candles before the reversal, and then yeah. So now let's say there's like another bullish candle like right here. Your new change in state delivery would be down there. Yeah. Let me make it a little better. So this didn't change state of delivery, but like let's say the next candle is bearish, right? The next candle is bearish. That would be a change in state of delivery. Yeah, that's really it. Right. So before I leave you guys to go, I want you guys to join my Discord server. We usually talk about trades. Sometimes there's some like hooligan stuff happening. I don't think there is any today. Yeah, it's like stuff like that. But all right, bro, this guy's in love with that gif, huh? But yeah, I would like you guys to join the server. It's free. Link in description. Yeah, there's nothing paid for. All right, see ya.